Okay, here I have made a manual bead breaker. I have a lot of flat tires on my trailer, so I made it where I can fix my flats at home. Now a lot of people want to know how I break these tires down. This is a piece of trailer leaf springs, welded together. This round piece goes on the inside of the wheel. Place your floor jack here. The chain goes around and hooks. Now start raising the floor jack. And you can see it's pushing down the bead. Now release the jack. Now the bead has been broken on both sides. All these components that I have here. To make this work, I use old leaf springs and some scrap steel, some 2-inch square, and a short piece of chain. If you liked what you have seen and it helped you out, great. Like, subscribe, share. There's more of this to come. Thanks for watching.